Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you're watching me. And today I'm gonna do a spring summer kind of glam makeup look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with the moisturizer. As usual, just moisturize your face very nicely. Then next up I'm going to use my Vaseline, which is chewed by my dog already. So yeah, the lip care is done. After that, moving on to the primer water by Smashbox. This is my new favorite thing right now. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use on my face very generously, and then I'll do my brows quickly, and then time for some foundation by the Smashbox. Then I'll blend it. After blending is done, it's time for my concealer. It's the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. It's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, 2 to 3 shades I guess. This is really light, but this works amazingly on my face, so yeah, it kind of works for me. I used my another concealer while doing my brows, so I could not show that to you guys. So I'm going to take some more because I thought that it was not enough, and now I will blend it again very thoroughly. Blending is everything, you guys. For makeup, it's always blending. So yeah, I am going to blend it. So after that is done, I am not baking today, so I am going to take a liberal amount of the loose powder and put it onto my face, and then nicely take the brush, the bigger brush, and spread it all over my face. So that's how I'm going to do it today. Next again, I'm going to use this primer water to set my base. Yeah, I love it that much. And then I did something kind of really stupid. I forgot to press on the record button. So for the eyes, first I use light orange shade on the outers, and in the inner corner, it's not the inner corner, in the inner eyelids, I used yellow color from the James Charles palette. So that's how I did my eyes. And for the lower lash line, this is the color that I'm going to use. This is the shade I'm going to use over there. So I'm taking a generous amount, and I wanted it to be thick because you'll know why. So the lower lash line is, I am doing the lower lash line really thick this time. So yeah, I am blending it with the same brush. I just use this brush for my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to use this silver glitter eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. It's really cheap. It was for 100 rupees I guess. So yeah, I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. It's kind of different. I saw this look on Pinterest, so yeah, I really liked it, and it's really glam, and at the same time it's for a morning makeup look as well. So it's very versatile, and yeah, that is what I'm going to do for my eyes today. So next I'm going to do some wing eyeliner, and that's done. And after that I am going to do my lashes. This time I used a different kind of lashes, not the very heavy ones. Next up I am contouring my face. So yeah, these are the basics. I'm going to contour now. So I use the bronzer on my face, and now I'm going to use the contour stick from K Beauty and blend it on my nose, because I think sticks work better in the nose region rather than the powder. So yeah, I'm going to blend it. And after the contouring is done, I'm going to use my Coral blush from Maybelline Fit Me range. And I'm going to take this brush and apply my blush on the cheeks, on the apple of my face. No, it's the apple of the cheeks, right? Yeah, apple of the cheeks. I think I'm saying it correctly. Also for me guys, there's no such thing called a lot of blush, so yeah, keep on using blush as much as you like it. And then I am going to use my one and only highlighter, you guys, from Wet n Wild. Yeah, I am going to use it on the basic places, on the all the high bones of the face, then on my brow bone. Yeah, I think I did not do it on the inner corner of my eyes today. I did a lot of stupid things in this video. So yeah, I am going to apply. Then I realized my falsies are not at the correct place. Anyways, moving on, I'm going to use this lip liner from Nykaa Lips Don't Lie, and it's wait, I'll have to see the shade. Okay, so this is the birthday suit shade. Yeah, it's called birthday suit, and this is one of my favorite lip liners because this goes with any color, you know, any lighter nude colors. And next up I'm going to use this one from Smashbox. This is its Audition from Smashbox. Yeah, I absolutely love this lipstick. It's so light, but it's so this is my favorite nude lipstick, guys. And after applying this, I always feel like I'm Kylie Jenner somehow. So yeah, I'm going to contour you know, under my lips so that my, you know, oval lined lips look a bit more natural. See what I did there? It's one of the hacks that I do. And next, I thought that the lip shade is really light for this, so I'm going to use the Try Sugar. It's something orange color, it's orange shade, so I'm going to use it only on the inner part of the lips. Yeah, just a little bit, very less. I'm gonna link the products this time. I'll pakka link the products, guys, for you. So yeah, this is how I did. And after that, I think my makeup is done. No, okay, every day I forget putting on mascara. After, you know, applying the falsies, I've realized I don't need to use mascara on the upper eyelashes, so I use it now only on the lower lashes. So yeah, mascara is done. And next up, I'm going to use the setting spray. It's the matte finish setting spray from Wet n Wild, and I realized I really like matte makeup look more than the dewy ones. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. And just like that, my makeup look is done. This is how it is supposed to look. Yeah, I quite love it actually. And this is perfect for morning weddings or spring weddings or sangeet, mehendi function, whatever, or maybe morning summer parties as well. So yeah, this is how this look turned out. I love it, guys. I absolutely love it. It's so versatile. You can use it, you can do it in the daytime and the night time, any it's very versatile. I love it. So yeah, this is pretty much today's video is about, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Also, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and do follow me on Instagram. The link will be given in the description, and I'll see you guys super soon. Bye guys.